Here we have two male turkeys, caught in a lively dance-off. It's not your everyday sighting. With feathers fluffed and tails fanned, these splendid birds showcase nature's grandeur in full swing. Watch as they strut and spin, each movement a wild display of elegance and exuberance. This dance, often a courtship ritual, is a rare treat to witness, especially this close to the human world. Observe the intricate patterns of their feathers, a kaleidoscope of colors shimmering in the daylight. As cars pass by, these magnificent creatures remain engrossed in their performance, undisturbed by the bustling world around them. An enchanting reminder of nature's wonders, just a glance away on the roadside. Known for its distinctive fan of feathers and gobbling call, the turkey is more than just a Thanksgiving icon. These birds are masters of the forest floor, foraging for nuts, berries, and insects beneath the canopy's shelter. With keen eyesight but limited flying ability, turkeys roost in trees at night, evading ground predators. During the mating season, male turkeys, known as toms, display vibrant feathers and strut to attract females. Turkeys are social creatures, often seen in groups called flocks, communicating with various calls and gestures. Though once near extinction, conservation efforts have helped their populations thrive, making the turkey a conservation success story. From forest dweller to cultural symbol, the turkey is truly a bird to be admired. In a quiet forest corner, baby turkeys, or poults, rest gently on the ground. Their downy feathers camouflage them among the leaves, a natural cradle. Under the watchful eye of their mother, these little ones embody the serene spirit of the forest. A flock of turkeys roam freely, their steps synchronized in natural harmony. This road, a temporary territory for our feathered friends, becomes a scene of communal exploration. Here, a majestic turkey crosses paths with a curious squirrel. The turkey, with its impressive plumage, struts gracefully, while the squirrel watches intently. Though different in their ways, they share the forest in harmony, a testament to nature's diverse tapestry. As dawn's first rays gently kiss the earth, the meadow awakens to a day full of promise. Here, under the soft embrace of the morning sun, a flock of turkeys emerges into view. The meadow, a lush tapestry of greens and golds, becomes a stage for these majestic birds. With their richly colored feathers glistening in the light, they move with a purposeful grace, foraging in the dew-kissed grass. Each bird, a masterpiece of nature, displays its unique patterns and hues. The toms, with their impressive tail fans and deep gobbling calls, and the hens, elegant and watchful, all partake in this morning's feast. The air is filled with the sounds of rustling leaves and soft clucks, a symphony that speaks of the earth's abundance. As they peck and search, the turkeys are in constant motion, a dance of survival and instinct. Here, amidst the whispering grass and the caress of the morning breeze, these creatures find sustenance. It's a scene that tells a story of resilience, of a life lived close to the earth, in rhythm with the sun's rise and fall. As the sun climbs higher, casting its golden glow farther across the land, the turkeys continue their feast. This meadow, a haven of peace and natural beauty, provides not just food, but a home for these wild birds. In moments like these, we're reminded of the simple yet profound connections that bind all life. The turkeys, the meadow, the sun, all part of the grand, interwoven tapestry of the world. Amidst the vibrant greenery, a flock of turkeys engages in a delightful feast. Here, these majestic birds gather, their attention captivated by clusters of red berries. Watch as they peck meticulously, each berry a burst of sustenance, a natural treat from the forest. With gentle rustling and soft clucks, they move together, a harmony of feathers and foliage. This simple act of foraging, a dance between wildlife and nature, is a scene of pure, unscripted beauty. As the turkeys enjoy their berry banquet, we're reminded of the abundance that nature offers. In these moments, we witness the elegance of the natural world, unassuming yet full of life.